Namaste, Sridhara Namburi from Tapovan Meditation Center. Today we are going to discuss the 10 points which are helping to the fastest mantra siddhi, the mantric power. So the first point is the time. Don't bring the time in between the meditation or the mantra japa. When you bring the time, the future and past will come naturally. The thought process will come. Because the base of the thought process is time. So then we will quit from the present. Actually, the meditation should happen in present. In the future always will be a tension because we don't know about future. The past is the sadness. The both will attack. Both are the thought process, the base of the thought process. So don't bring the time in meditation. The first condition. Second, we have to do the mantra japa from our heart, not from the brain. So, because the Ichha Shakti will start from heart and we are sending the Ichha Shakti for particular purpose or whatever it is. But the mind, the thought process will come. So, if you chant from the mind or brain, so in the secret of the manifestation is we have to develop the Ichha Shakti and without any disturbance it should go through the Ajna and how to the manifestation process should have. So that is very important. Third is the love with the deity. It is very important. How it is working means the science behind this actually through the cognitive learning, through the 5 senses. A new neural network is developing actually, and through the neurotransmitters will act and generating a circle of network of the deity, particular deity through the 5 senses. That is the importance of temple and puja with the Panchavachara Dhupa Deepa. So it is very important, the smoke and ringing bell. The stimulation of 5 senses are very important. Then how the deity is implanting, because the emotion is very important. Because if you watch an accident, even after 10 years, the same day you will disturb, because the strong network already built through the experience of that accident, through the 5 senses, the blood and the screaming of the people. So the same way, that is negative actually. Positive implantation of the deity in subconscious mind by the repetition. For that, we have to show some passion, love with the deity, the real love. That is very important. That is bhakti actually. The real love is bhakti. Next is do japa without quitting all the gap. Daily we have to do. No meaning if you chant 1 hour one day, next day 5 minutes. It is not like that. If you chant 15 minutes daily, you have to do the same thing without any disturbance. Maximum we have to do the same day, because that truthfulness is developing the Ichha Shakti. If I will think, I will do. If I will say, I will do. That capacity is developing, it is increasing and creating the manifestation in the world. Because when we start the japa, the kundalini may start to awaken, the vibration, the energy. It will activate the sex. So there is a chance to go, we have to overcome that level, and then it will tend to divine. In between, there's a chance to go to misguidance, misway. This may go through the wrong path of the Ida and Pingala. So it should go through the Sushumna. Because of the mind of the connected with the Swadhisthana Chakra, for that, we have to maintain the proper connection with the Guru. So Guru is very important, the knowledgeable person, the real practical person who have the experience. he can guide you so properly. Means each and every chakras have the path to outside, so misguide. So each and every level there is many doubts may come. So the guru can support and guide in the proper way to the Sahasrara. But who is guru means from where we are getting the knowledge. He is guru. Somebody will say they will give the more bookish knowledge. That is knowledge, that is information. Information is not wisdom. It is like library. In the library shelf containing all books, but the shelves don't have any knowledge. The same way, many people are moving library, but no meaning in that. This is practical 100%. So who have the knowledge, practically he is guru actually. Maybe the small children are the gurus sometimes. The Kularnava says like that, even the grasses are my guru. So it is very important. Next, observation of Shiva. Then only we can understand the Shakti. So if we convert to the spirituality to the master matrix, the zero is the Shiva, minus 100 and plus 100 is Shakti. From where the positive is starting, deciding by zero, that is Shiva. From where the Shakti is turning to negative, it is deciding by Shiva. So that self-observation of the Shiva is very important in mantra japa. We have to stay in Shiva and chant the mantras. The Parashurama Kalpasutra says, Taradam Shivada Samavesha. Same thing. Normally, some people have the knowledge properly. It is getting from the inner Guru Tattva directly, continuously. Very, very rare people. They don't need any gurus. But most of the people need some guidance properly. So it is very important. Then some people are quitting the japa because they are doing continuously meditation or japa of the deity. If they have experienced some kind of negatives, then they will stop, because always I am doing the mantra japa, but deity is giving the negative things. Actually, deity is not giving the negative things. Negative things are karmas. The deity is supporting to escape from that problems. Sometimes it is very huge, very bigger. Then deity, we have to strengthen the deity, then deity can clear that issues. But normally in that time we will think opposite. So it is very dangerous. Next is simplicity. We have to maintain the zero inside the gratitude and everything. Otherwise, what will happen? The ego will come and the energy will suck. The energy of japa will suck and deviate the energy from main path. So whatever the skills are coming from japa, benefits are coming from japa, or occult powers are coming from japa, siddhis, don't bother on that. You have to make simple our life and maintain ourselves as very ground to earth. Next is Sankhya Yoga. Means how the creation of the Panchakosha of the sadhaka, Annamaya, Manomayam, Pranamaya, means physical body, mental body, energy body, how the deviation or how the generation of the body by the trigunas, sattva, rajas, tamas gunas. So negative or positive, that is the main concern. To understand the level of the sadhaka, sometimes we have to increase the japa, sometimes we have to decrease the japa and do the awareness level meditations. These all things are depends the development of the personality or the body of the person, the life of the person. We have to find out that and to guide correctly. That is the next point, main point. That is based on the person. We cannot say in this common platform. It will be different as per the people. So these are the main things to attain fastest mantra japa continuously we have to do all of these things it definitely it will support to improve the mantra siddhi of everybody. May Devi bless everybody.